What you see here is the Acontis EC-Master, which is EtherCAT main device software used in more than 1.5 million devices since about 20 years on the market. And we are using this running on the Verdin Evaluation Kit to control a quite tiny EtherCAT network. But what we want to show here is really how easy it is to realize the EtherCAT controller using the i.MX 95. So we simply put our master on top of Linux, but we also want to show the other benefits of our software compared to other solutions. And this means fast cycle times and low jitter, which are the key points for EtherCAT field bus. And to do this, we added this tab in between, which is checking the timestamps of the communication messages. And with that, we can really show and prove that the communication is done in real time with basically no jitter. And we can also do the same on a software level for the application to really highlight that we know how EtherCAT is working and how to get it really in a nice performing application. Also, of course, on the Verdin kits.